managing sales become complicated very quickly. Many businesses use one tool for customer management, another for communication, another for project management, and several more for automation and reporting. The problem is that using too many tools can increase the cost and make daily work more difficult. That is where Bitrix24 comes in. Bitrix24 is an all-in-one business platform that combines CRM, communication, project management, automation, and collaboration tools in a single system. In this video, we will take a closer look at Bitrix24 and see why many businesses consider it a tool that can replace multiple sales and business applications. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you discover software that can improve productivity and growth. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the link from description to get special offers on Bitrix24. By using the description link, any available discount or promotion that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. At its core, Bitrix24 is a CRM platform designed to help businesses manage leads, contacts, deals, and customer relationships. Instead of keeping customer information in spreadsheets or scattered across different tools, everything can be organized in one central location. This makes it easier for sales teams to track conversions, follow up with prospects, and monitor deal progress. One of the biggest strengths of Bitrix24 is its sales pipeline management. You can create custom sales stages and move deals through the pipeline as they progress. This gives your team a clear view of where every opportunity stands and helps prevent leads from being forgotten or lost. Another feature that stands out is automation. Many repetitive sales tasks can be automated using workflow and rules. For example, the system can automatically send emails, assign tasks, create reminders, or update records when a specific action occurs. This reduces manual work and allows teams to focus more on selling and customer relationships. Communication tools are also built directly into the platform. Instead of paying separately for messaging and collaboration software, Bitrix24 includes team chat, video calls, and internal communication features. This helps teams to stay connected without constantly switching between different applications. Project management is another area where Bitrix24 offers value. Businesses can create tasks, assign responsibilities, set deadlines, and track progress. This is especially useful for companies that want both sales management and project management in a single platform. Customer support capabilities are also available. Businesses can manage customer inquiries, organize communication channels, and maintain better relationships with customer after a sale is completed. This creates a more complete customer management experience compared to traditional CRM systems that focus only on sales. For businesses that rely on marketing, Bitrix24 includes tools for email campaigns, lead capture forms, and customer management. Having these features integrated with the CRM can help businesses better understand customer behavior and improve the marketing performance. One reason many businesses choose Bitrix24 is efficiency. Instead of paying for separate CRM software, communication tools, project management platforms, and automation systems, companies can access many of these functions within one solution. This can help reduce software expenses while simplifying daily operations. Of course, because Bitrix24 includes so many features, new users may need some time to learn the platform. The dashboard can feel overwhelming at first, especially for the beginners. However, once users become familiar with the system, the wide range of tools can become a major advantage. So, who is Bitrix24 best for? It is a strong option for small businesses, growing companies, sales teams, agencies, and organizations that want to manage multiple business processes from one platform. If you are looking to reduce the number of tools your business uses, Bitrix24 is definitely worth considering. That brings us to the end of this video. Bitrix24 offers CRM, communication, automation, project management, and collaboration features in one platform, making it powerful all-in-one solution for many businesses. Thank you so much for watching Easy Access Tech, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel, and check the description link for any available Bitrix24 offers. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.